It's that time again. Stressed about parking near the entrance? Don't be. The best spots for moms are closest to the shopping cart return. You can load your kids before they can escape and avoid that awkward abandoning of your cart moment. You know that germy handlebar that your kid loves? Cover it with a cut pool noodle. It even doubles as a safety bumper. Did you know most grocery stores have the same layout? Flowers at the entrance, fresh produce just behind. Staples like eggs, milk, and cheese are always on the back wall. Stick to the perimeter to avoid the snacks and sweets located in the center aisles, also known as the kid meltdown zone. Want someone to do the hacking for you? Most stores have a butcher who will trim fat, cut meat into individual portions, and even wrap for freezing. All you have to do is ask. Don't waste precious cart space on reusable totes and diaper bags. Head over to the produce section and grab a baggie to quickly tie up your lightweight possessions. While you're there, score a twisty tie for your 3+-year-olds. Have them twist and untwist around the cart and mold into shapes. These ties will keep them occupied through checkout. We've all had embarrassing snack spills. Try packing a Cheerios necklace made with dental floss as a much neater way to prevent hunger-induced meltdowns. Don't skimp on items to make the express lane. Statistically, the weight is the same as the regular line. Ask for frozen and cold items to be packed together in a distinct bag. When you're inevitably interrupted by someone needing something, you'll know what needs to be unloaded first. We've all experienced the pain of all bags in one trip or bust. For easier hauling, keep a laundry basket in the trunk of your car. Load it up and success. As you unload fresh groceries, dedicate a bin in the fridge to soon-to-be expired products to encourage your family to eat them first. A quick unpacking tip: open both ends of a 12-pack and push through the end for an easy unload. Use binder clips when storing your vegetable or fruit bags in the freezer. Not only is it a great use of space, it also helps avoid freezer burn. And with that, your grocery shopping is done. Now, if only cooking was this easy.